Are you looking for a countertop oven that can do it all? Meet the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro, a versatile cooking powerhouse that roasts, air fries, dehydrates, and much more, all in one sleek, brushed stainless steel design. Let's dive into why this could be the ultimate addition to your kitchen. First, let's talk about the design. The Breville Air Fryer Pro features a premium brushed stainless steel finish that looks fantastic in any kitchen. With dimensions of 17.5 inches deep, 21.5 inches wide, and 12.7 inches high, it's compact yet spacious enough to handle family-sized meals. The oven comes with an easy-to-use LCD display and intuitive knob controls. The display not only helps you navigate its 13 cooking functions, but also keeps you informed on preheating, cooking time, and more. And check this out. The interior oven light automatically turns on at the end of the cooking cycle, so you can easily monitor your food. Plus, it's replaceable, just like a regular oven. One of the standout features is the air fry function. With super convection technology, you get fast, even heat distribution for perfectly crispy golden fries and other fried favorites, all without the excess oil. Love healthy snacks? The dehydrate setting allows you to create dried fruits, jerky, or even kale chips. You can dehydrate up to 4 trays at once, making it perfect for meal prepping. The Breville Air Fryer Pro comes with all the accessories you need: a 13-inch pizza pan, 2 oven racks, a broil rack, an enamel roasting pan, and a mesh basket for air frying and dehydrating. Thanks to its Element IQ system, the oven uses 6 independent quartz elements and smart algorithms to direct heat precisely where it's needed. This ensures consistent and even cooking every time, whether you're baking cookies, slow cooking, or reheating leftovers. Want to take your cooking to the next level? With Breville Plus, you get access to over 1,000 guided recipes, live and on-demand cooking classes, and expert tips tailored to your Breville appliance. With its 13 cooking functions, powerful convection system, and stylish design, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a game-changer for anyone who loves cooking. Whether you're roasting, air frying, baking, or dehydrating, this oven has you covered. Ready to upgrade your kitchen? Check out the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro today. Links to buy are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more product reviews. Thanks for watching.